Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix iPhone storage full error causing Snapchat to lag. First of all, delete all of the unused apps that you have on your phone. Then offload heavy apps in settings. Let's say it's your TikTok. So just go ahead and click on the offload app option on TikTok and iPhone storage, and that will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Now after that, you're going to clear your Snapchat cache as well. So find Snapchat, click on offload app, and then that will also free up storage used by Snapchat, but it keeps the documents and data. Reinstalling Snapchat will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, if none of that helped, go ahead and restart your iPhone. Update Snapchat by going to App Store, search for Snapchat, and then just make sure to update your app to the latest version so it fixes bugs and it will give the newer version. Safety tip: do not delete Snapchat unless your memories are backed up. Quick fix: turn on iCloud Photos to free up space instantly, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.